families and friends, yo, I have to touch this one. Yo, Skillibeng says WAP is a part of Jamaica's culture, and he explained why he uses the terminology WAP. Yo, Aganti, you're gonna be surprised why he used the terminology WAP. Greetings, 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 and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button.
Man. How you guys doing out there?
Subscribe to the channel.
Man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale.
Become a part of the Rastaman panel. Yaganti. You know the Prime Minister, you know, the Honorable Andrew Holness, Yaganti OMPV, recently added to the Privy Council, has saying that we are not going to allow WAP to identify the Jamaican culture. Yaganti, but dancehall star Skillibeng says that his hit track is actually inspired by Jamaican culture. Yaganti, he said if you grew up in Jamaica or anywhere in the Caribbean, you might have had some experience with corporal punishment. For Skillibeng, the sound of the belt pelting the skin were enough to inspire him to pen the hook for the Whap Whap. Now, he was speaking to, the young lady there that you just saw on the screen. You see him there is DJ Carisma of Power 106 in Los Angeles when he confirmed the song's inspiration. The meaning of WAP, I made it have multiple meaning, but you know, Jamaica, it's all about the belt sound. That's how the belt sound. That's how the whole WAP wave came from. It was a Jamaican culture thing, Skillibeng says, and amused. Carisma added that it was mama's whooping that A. Last week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, now he called out Skillibeng's WAP when he expressed discontent that much of the new music coming out of Jamaica, we're sending the wrong message about our country. We are being defined by so many very limited things. WAP, WAP, chop, chop, ensure. All these things have their place. But I can't allow this to define us. We should not allow that to define us, Holness said. The Prime Minister added that he felt embarrassed when Skeng was banned from the public performance in Guyana for supposedly promoting vulgar and lawlessness behavior in his song. What kind of joke thing now? Now, Skilli now, who previously cut, election dub for Holness based on his song Mr. Universe, was on his first trip to Los Angeles, where he would perform at the Echoplex. Yaganti. Now, Holness never complained when Skilli helped him win the election. But now that other countries are trying to stifle the Jamaican culture, he's right on board. No can't stop dancehall. Now, Skilli just also released his first official mix, WAP, remix with WAP, only a few days ago. You know, the version has American rapper French Montana and Fabio, foreign NBA young boys and Bronx drill rappers Ran Suno, and both previous hopped on also to catch on the tune. The 25-year-old Carisma said that, foreign artists were the one who were, indicating that they were interested in collabing with him. It was a case where French and Fabio wanted to be on the remix. He said it was two individual remix, but both of them was cool, and both of them was two mainstream artists. French is a mainstream artist. I couldn't say no to French, because French was one who introduced me to Kodak Black, and I listened Kodak Black music. And Fabio was the New Yorker who was rocking the city. So it was all about just doing it, the DJ added. Speaking on dancehall's acceptance in the United States, Skilli equipped that said dancehall is not our Caribbean music overall, isn't like popping, but surprisingly, I am. Yeah, guarantee. The man that say dancehall and Caribbean music is not popping, but him a pop. Yo, big up yourself, Skilli. I like to see when the young youths them can, flex their muscles early on in them youths as long as them not do no crime. I like to see when them a travel. You guarantee. Mr. Holness let the dancehall strive. Cause at the youths them underneath the train say, yo, dancehall is an art. It's not really reality. Them should take it on up on them head and go act out the things them way in the music. But the music does influence the children. So, if you're in it for the money, you're greedy, you're selfish, you sing whatever you want. Other than that, you sing good tune like Keep It and Sizzler, Agent Sasko, and them you out there. You are gone tea. Big up yourself, yeah, we and them artists that we are deal with. You are gone tea. Big up yourself, my generals. Fire key to the world. You are gone tea, Django Fresh. Big up yourself at the fire. So, I and I man just want to leave with a comment on this one. Let me know if the things that Skilli have a point here that the whopping is from the belt. Because when me listen him tune him a talk about scope on the top and me never know my granny a beat me with no belt, with no scope. Him just grab me and just whop, 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 whop. I say it I go. But I understand the inspiration, Skillibeng. Bring up yourself. Mr. Holness, hold down the crime and leave the dance hall alone. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness. That's what I'm wishing you right now. You stay blessed, Skilli. And you to Mr. Holness. Big up yourself, dancehall, Jamaican culture, live forever, and I'm going nowhere.
Hello, my name is Ashina, and welcome to Deep Roots TV.